Good morning, beautiful beings. I'm here, I'm here, I'm here, I'm here, I'm here, I'm here. Good morning, America world, and even outside of American girl. Oh, good morning to you. Food done, guys. Me warm up on tasty patty jerk. Actually, I got that by mistake in Jamaica. So I warm up my patty, guys. I put it in here, warm it up in the microwave for 2 minutes, then I put it in here, nice and crispy. So here what me gonna yam. Good morning, peoples. Good morning. So I'm heading out for work right about now. I'm a little bit late. I should have done work from about 1:45. Like 8:45. I know it's almost 9 already. Oopsie poopsie. So guys, it's one of my long work day, Friday morning. And I know how the shops go. One of them long morning there. Where I'm at work from 8:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. But the good thing about it, guys, I'm not too far away from work. Driving is maybe 5 minutes if me drive fast. If not, 7 minutes, which is not much of a difference. But that's how the thing says. I'm not too far away from work now. Yo, these people drive so nasty, when, especially morning time, when them look late like me and they want to get to work. So just be careful out there, people, when you're not driving, especially rush hour, both morning and evening, because these peeps don't play. You don't have to ask, guys. Them not play. Straight up. And I know, I'm to them. So, may I head into work, may I get meds? He says I'm a movie star. I don't know about that. But anyways, guys, I reach work. Yeah, I'm at work. And I'm about to head back out right now. So, I'm going to talk to you in a little bit. It's so nice outside. Right? Yeah. The mall not even open it, and that's where I normally go. So I'm gonna run some other errands. Yes, and then I'll keep you guys updated. Guys, also go check out my YouTube channel. It's Design Aesthetics by Charlotte Rose. Go check it out, guys. I need you all. I need you. I need you. But for some serious note, guys, please go check out my YouTube channel, Design Aesthetics by Charlotte Rose. Also, I have a cooking channel, Yard Foreign Cooking TV, and I have a family channel where I do vlogs and stuff like that. Guys, go check it out. It's called The Proud Family Roses. So please, guys, go check those. Go check those out. You might see something you like, you know. I'm into, home decor, stuff like that. Little shopping here and there, little hauls, cleaning. Go check out the thing, man. Alright, guys, so the little look, this is for the day. I like a simple t-shirt, and leggings, and shoes down there, so so you can't look like no scrub. Them days they come when you can't look like a scrub, but you have to look scrubbish every day. You see what I say? Look nice, feel nice, be nice. So guys, we're gonna head out and do the things then. Yeah. So until I get back to you guys, have a beautiful day. Make sure on the way on a mask and keep safe and do the whole 6 feet distant things, and have a beautiful day, guys. So about the Spotty family. So until then, guys, later.